Welcome back to MacPhee Ford. Today we're taking a look at this 2020 Ford F-150 XLT in Nardo Gray. This F-150 is equipped with the Sport Appearance Package. So you've got your running board on the side there, keyless entry door pad, tow mirrors that are also heated, or blind spot mirrors, power window controls, power adjustable foot pedals, power seat for the driver, passenger is manual operated. You get your dashboard here. You've got a few different infotainment screens, the display, trip and fuel, towing information, off-road status, and truck settings with pre-collision and MyKey. Cruise control is on the left here. On the right is hands-free with your media controls. For your Sync 3 sound system, you have built-in hotspot, satellite radio, Ford Pass Connect, and Bluetooth for your phone. Comes with a locking differential with 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low, and a trailer backup assist too. Climate controls are just down there. You've got a cubby just down here with 2 USB ports. Center console shifter with various drive modes. You've got normal, tow haul, snow and wet, eco, and sport mode. Back in the rear here, you've got your paint matched bumper. You've got a rear view camera right below the tailgate latch. Drop-in bed liner. Here's your view of the truck bed right here, 6.5 foot box. On your back seat, you've got cubbies in the passenger doors. Cloth seating in the rear as well. Lots of leg room back here. 2 cup holders up here for the passengers, a 12-volt outlet, 2 USB ports, and a household plug. You've also got 2 fans for climate control for the rear. The seating here, you've got a nice little stitching in here. Might be a little hard to see, but you can see it right there. Back around to the front. Paint matched front bumper. Halogen headlights. You've got fog lights as well. LED turn signals. You got your metallic gunmetal gray grille here. 2 tow hooks down front. So come on over to MacPhee Ford today and talk to a sales advisor about getting you into this brand new F-150.